I vividly recall the first time I witnessed the Mackenzie River winding through the Northwest Territories' remote wilderness, its icy waters glimmering under the midnight sun. But across the north, once pristine rivers are undergoing an ominous change, shifting from crystal blue hues to burnt orange. In the past decade, over 75 rivers from Alaska's Brooks Range to northern Canada have begun flowing vibrant orange. Some are filled with an eerie haze, while the riverbeds appear filled with rust. This shocking transformation in Arctic waterways stems from accelerating climate change. Rising temperatures are thawing permafrost, and that's frozen ground that has remained intact for millennia. This permafrost contains a bounty of iron-rich sediment. As the frozen earth deteriorates, massive amounts of iron are unleashed into rivers. Upon hitting the air and water, the iron oxidizes and turns fiery orange. Furthermore, scientists believe this process is acidifying waters by releasing sulfur compounds as permafrost thaws. At first glance, this aesthetic is stunning. Clear rivers now appear apocalyptic, but these changes forewarn of extensive ecological turmoil brewing below the surface. Aquatic ecosystems in the Arctic are delicate and complex. Iron particles in acidic waters threaten vulnerable species across the food chain. From ancient fish like the Arctic char to insects and microorganisms, entire foundations of life established over thousands of years now face potential destabilization. For Indigenous communities, the implications are severe. Northern communities scattered across the remote landscape rely on subsistence fishing to survive the harsh winters. Contamination of the rivers, central to their culture and nutrition, poses an existential threat. Experts are racing to unravel the mysteries of these bizarre orange waters. How long might these effects persist? Can any interventions remediate the damage? What other environmental transformations are unfolding under the thawed earth? Researchers also hope to forecast impacts on specific rivers and associated inhabited areas. Local communities and Indigenous communities deserve advance warning if their primary water sources face risk. The future remains uncertain for Arctic's vanishing blue rivers. But as an environmental scientist myself, who fell in love with the area that I worked in, my hope is that coming generations will still get to experience the beauty of this area. The few remaining pristine landscapes of our planet urge us to respond with care, not neglect.